Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by selecting firm, fresh green beans and wash them thoroughly. Trim ends and cut into 1 to 2 inch pieces so they fit easily in jars. Choose pint or quart canning jars and sterilize lids and rings. Decide between raw pack and hot pack. Raw pack fills jars with raw beans. Hot pack means blanching or simmering beans in boiling water first to reduce air and floating. When filling jars, leave 1/2 inch headspace and remove air bubbles with a non-metallic spatula. Place filled jars on the canner rack and add 2 to 3 inches of hot water if using a steam pressure method. Close the lid and vent steam for 10 minutes before putting weight or closing the petcock. Bring the canner up to the required pressure. Use 10 psi for weighted gauge or 11 psi for dial gauge at sea level, adjusting for altitude. Process pints for 20 minutes and quarts for 25 minutes, maintaining steady pressure. After processing, turn off heat and let the canner cool and depressurize naturally. After the canner has fully depressurized, carefully remove jars using a jar lifter and set them upright on a towel or cooling rack with space between jars. Allow jars to cool undisturbed for 12 to 24 hours. Lids should make a popping sound and have a concave center indicating a good seal. Wipe jars, label with the date, and store in a cool, dark place. Use within 1 year for best texture and flavor. If a jar fails to seal, refrigerate and use within 3 to 4 days, or reprocess within.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.